Hey guys, let's start with the new section, ReactJS API. In this section, we will start off with React API component. Then we would see object-oriented programming. And lastly, we would learn React integration with other APIs. Now, we move on to the first video of this section that deals with React API component. In this video, we're going to take a look at React top-level API, mounting and unmounting components. When we are talking about the React API, it's the first step to getting into the React library. Different uses of React will provide different outputs. For example, using the React script tag will make top-level APIs available on the React global using ES6 with NPM will allow us to write import React from React. And using ES5 with NPM will allow us to write var React equals to require React. So there are multiple ways to initialize React with different features. Generally, we are building components that fit into other components while we are dealing with React, and we're assuming that whatever is built with React is a component. However, this is not true. There needs to be some other way to write supporting code to bridge the external world with React. Observe this code snippet. The render method is used to update the property of the component, and we can then declare a new element to render it again. Another method is unmountComponentAtNode is used to clean your code. When we have an SAP built with React components, we have to plug unmountComponentAtNode to initiate at the right time, which results in cleaning the app's lifecycle. Take a look at the highlighted code. Most of the time, I have observed that developers don't call the unmountComponentAtNode method, and this results in having a memory leak issue in their app. Moving on to mounting, unmounting components. It's always recommended to have a custom wrapper API in your API. Suppose you have a single root or more than one root, and it will be deleted at some period. So in that case, you will not lose it. Facebook has such a setup, which automatically calls unmountComponentAtNode. I also suggest not calling react.dom.render function every time, but an ideal way is to write or use it through the library. In that case, the application will use mounting and unmounting to manage it. Creating a custom wrapper will help you to manage configurations in one place, such as internationalization, routers, and user data. It would be very painful to set up all the configuration every time in different places. So that's all about the React API. Splendid!